Hey, what year were you born in, bro?
I was born in 2000.
And? What? There's more?
What you mean?
My boy, you still going?
What?
That's a compound sentence. You got a
Darcy. Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald Haiti bitch back at it again with another video. I'm super excited because today I'm gonna be turning into a Gen Z. A Gen Zer? A Gen Zer? I'm gonna be turning into a Gen Zer. If you don't know what a Gen Zer is, it's because you're obviously not one. So Morphe came out with this new line that's all for the young teeny boppers, you know, the kids these days. What are the kids doing these days? And it's sort of like this cute little collab with Charli and Dixie D'Amelio. And in case you didn't know, they're like these super famous TikTokers. Cause I didn't know that because I'm old. And I'm on Korean TikTok. It's not my fault. The algorithm made me. So Morphe sent me the whole collection. Give me a second to grab it because it's kind of big, kind of heavy. One moment, please. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. How does anyone lift this? So it comes with these three things, and it says, what does it say? Hint, tint, and glow. This is really heavy. The first box that we have is the hint box, where I guess it just gives you hints of colors. I'm guessing that's what this says here. I hope you can see this. We're a little overexposed a bit. On the top, it's got the glassified lip oils, which are lip glosses for the kids. There's also a gloss pop face. Oh God, it's a face gloss. Historically, face glosses are not my favorite and are a bit of a nightmare to apply. Look at that. What is that? What is this? Okay, hold on. Oh no, child. Oh, what the hell? But we're gonna try anyway. Then you have the jelly eye shimmers. So you got the eyeshadows right here. Your eyes are gonna be shimmering. Our eyes are gonna shine bright like a diamond. On the bottom we have Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse. Ooh, you can use it on your cheeks and your lips. You know what? This is reminding me a lot of K-Beauty and I'm enjoying it. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, yeah, they separate. Okay, we're just gonna put this. Ooh, a lot lighter now. Okay, this is the Hint Skin Tint. Why is that so funny? Hint Skin Tint. And it comes in a variety of colors. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's actually a lot. It's actually a lot of colors for a skin tint. Skin tints usually only come in like 5, maybe 10 max. Because you don't really need that many colors when you're doing a skin tint. Because with a full coverage foundation, you're gonna need like an exact match because it's so thick. But with these babies, you don't really need an exact match because it's just gonna be a little tint on your skin anyway. Who's gonna notice, huh? Not me, nobody. So I mean, I got a lot of shades to choose from, guys. Which one do you think is closest to my shade? If you guys can't see from here, these are very lightweight, so they do separate. So all you gotta do is give it a quick little shake and you're good to go. So we're gonna try and apply these. We're gonna do a cute little teeny bopper look today. Very minimal, school appropriate, although apparently everyone's doing online school right now. So what are they gonna do about it, huh? Send you home? But I digress. Let us begin. Okay, so we're gonna start with the skin tint. I picked up these two colors because they seem kind of close. This one is Hint of Mocha and this one is Hint of Nutmeg. So like, they're really similar. But I feel like Mocha would be better right now. So we're gonna go with Hint of Mocha. Mocha chocolate, yeah. Creole lady marmalade. Make sure you shake it. And drop it on my hand first. This color looks a little red maybe, but I don't know. Let me see what the other one looks like. Nutmeg looks more golden. This is Nutmeg. I figure it's not really gonna matter anyway because it's so light coverage. This one is Mocha. It looks too red. It's too red. I don't like it. We're gonna wipe that off. We're just gonna wipe that off. Okay, so I'm using Nutmeg. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I feel so youthful already, guys. Oh my God. Just gonna add a little bit more on the forehead here because we're looking a little pimply. Oh, what's going on? Huh? Oh, I'm getting my period soon. There we go. Sometimes I forget I'm a woman. Sometimes. Do I want to put concealer on? I don't know. I actually really like this. I really like this formula. It reminds me, like this whole line reminds me of Glossier. But this reminds me of Glossier's tint, but a little bit more coverage, I feel. Because I definitely noticing a difference. It's not completely like just no coverage. Definitely something going on here. A little something, something. My skin definitely looks better than it did before. At least up close. More even, and it's a very nice soft texture. This might be because I applied it with a brush. I applied it with a brush on purpose because I knew it was gonna be a very light texture and I wanted you guys to be able to see it. If you do use a sponge like a beauty blender, then it is going to suck up some of the product and you're gonna get even less coverage. So if you wanna get the best coverage possible, then you should use a brush. Wow, I actually gave educated information instead of a joke. Who am I? I'm not gonna put on any concealer today because I'm 16 and I have nothing to hide. But I am gonna put on this all over face gloss and I'm sure I'm going to regret it. Like I said, these glosses, I'm never too sure about them. But you know what? Everybody deserves a fair shot, okay? So I'm gonna test this on my hand first. Also, I have not put on a thick layer of anything and I don't have any powder on right now. So maybe it'll all work out fine. You know what? It's not bad because it's not very sticky. It feels kind of oily even. I'm just gonna apply it on the tops of my cheeks. See how that goes. Okay, it's not lifting anything because honestly, there's nothing to lift. There's nothing there. A very light layer of skin tint is on my face right now. I think this is wildly appropriate for the teens of today. I am so far very impressed. If I had a teen daughter, I would give her this whole collection. Oh my god, it looks so cute on the nose. Oh my god. And my nose was already cute, like now it's even cuter. Okay, I take back everything I said about face glosses. This one's cute. I'm glowing. I'm youthful. No, seriously though, look at that. Isn't that cute? I feel like a teenager. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. Now I'm gonna take my Glossier Boy Brow and boy my brows. Brow those boys. This is literally how I do my eyebrows anyway. I don't really like filling in my eyebrows, to the dismay of many of you. My teeny bopper eyebrow routine has come in handy today. Okay, next we're gonna do the eyes, which I'm not sure about because I always prep my eyes with some sort of concealer. But we're not doing that today because a 14-year-old girl would not do that. Okay, so these are the Jelly Eye Shimmers. I'm gonna swatch these and see which one I want to use today. So first color is Sunshine. Okay, the texture. Oh, what am I even feeling right now? Oh, ho. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Interesting texture. Not sure how to apply this, if I should use my fingers or a brush. Let me try it with a brush. I feel like it applies better with a brush. Can you guys even see that? It's like really similar to my skin tone. This side, I used a brush, and this side, I used my fingers. So I think I'm gonna use a brush. Anyway, so that was the color Sunshine. So I just noticed that it's supposed to come in 6 shades, but they accidentally sent me 2 Sunshines. So, that's awkward. But I can swatch the rest. This one is called Starry Sky, and I feel like this is what I'm gonna use for my 2000s makeup transformation. Like this video, leave a comment below if you want me to do a 2000s makeup transformation. This beautiful bronzy color that is, again, very close to my skin tone is called Whoa! Whoa! Okay, this next color is called Confetti, and it's really just like glitter. Like, it doesn't really have a base color. She's just sparkly. For no reason. No goddamn reason. She's just sparkling. That might be fun to put on top of something. Just a suggestion. And the last color that I have here, because I believe I'm missing one, is called Bolt. And it is this dark purpley color. But again, it's not like super intense because it's for the kids. So none of these are going to be super intense on your lid. So I think we're going to save the bold colors for that 2000s look. Again, let me know if you want to see it, and I'll do it. Might take me 6 years, but I'll do it. So I'm trying to decide between Sunshine or Whoa! I think I might do Whoa! I'm gonna hurt my head doing that. And I'm gonna use a flat brush to apply it because that seems to be the most effective. It's so soft. The texture is just so soft and buttery. Ah! Ooh, sparkly. A little bit of a wet texture. Oh my god, it's pretty! Oh my god, this is so pretty. What the heck-a-rooney? Can you guys see that? Can you see it? Are you feeling this? Are you feeling me right now? You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream when I put the makeup on. I feel like I'm getting ready for a middle school dance right now. And me and my friends are all sharing one eyeshadow palette and the little styrofoam brush that came with it. This is really pretty. I like it. It also goes on pretty smoothly. I feel like that's because it's on my naked lid. If I had like prepped like I usually do with concealer and powder, probably would not have come out as great. So just letting you guys know, this is not full glam kind of makeup. This is for very light coverage, cute little stuff like this, not for a glitter cut crease or anything like that, okay? If you're looking for something with a lot of pigment, I would go with the Patrick Star glitters that just came out. This is the color Pea House that I really like. This is that full coverage glitter, and then this is that, you know, cute little shimmer on my eye, you know, for the kids. And for me, when I want to catfish people into thinking I'm 16. I'm gonna use the Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is just a little mini version. I literally feel like I'm getting ready for a middle school dance right now. Like, I hope Connor's there. I hope he notices me. Okay, what's the next step? It's blush, isn't it? Yay! These are the Wonder Tint lip and cheek mousses in 4 different shades. Wish, Amaze, Dream, and FYP. FYP? What is that? What does FYP mean? Siri, what does FYP mean?
That's beyond my abilities at the moment.
Girl, me too. For you page. This is what happens when you get close to 30, guys. Your brain starts to go. Okay, so let's try these out. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay. You know what this reminds me of? I'm about to make a K-beauty reference. This reminds me of the multi-pots from 3CE. Let's see if it's any good. Ooh. Oh, she is smooth and she is buttery. You'll see that? That is the color Amaze. And let me say, I'm pretty amazed. This is the color FYP. This is a very light pink, so I'm not sure what that's gonna look like on my skin tone. Very light pink. That might be too pink for me. Next we have Dream, which looks like a peachy color. That's what that looks like. And then lastly we have Wish, which is the lightest color. Very light pink. I feel like the peachy one, which is Dream, has some potential. Let's try it out. Y'all know me, I'm not afraid of light colors. They tend to be a pleasant surprise, but they have to be the correct undertone. And since I have a golden undertone, peach should work very well on my skin. So I'm just gonna apply a light layer. You can like barely see it. Out of curiosity, I want to see what the dark color looks like, right? So this is the color Amaze. Since they're so light, you can't really put on too much. I'm gonna put over my nose. I love blending these liquid eyeshadows in with beauty blenders because it makes it look so natural. Like I just rolled out of bed like this. I just wake up like this every day. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Morphe too. I look extremely adorable right now and you can't tell me otherwise. You can also put this on your lips. So I'm gonna put Dream on my lips. Oh, it is clinging to every dry spot I have ever had in my life. Oh my god. Good lord, that was a terrible idea. So that is not cute. Make sure your lips are really hydrated and don't have a single crack in them if you want to use these on your lips. But on the cheeks, gorgeous. Okay, I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss then. These are all the beautiful lip gloss colors. We can use the peachy one. It's called Extra Glaze. Like an extra glazed donut, because that's what my lip's about to look like. Do you smell like anything? I don't smell anything. Hold on. Let me take a little bit out here. Nothing. Oh my god. Yeah. Take me back to 8th grade. Let me tell you, if I had looked like this in middle school, I would have ate you bitches up. I look like the captain of the cheerleading squad. I look like my name is Michaela. And if you cross me, I'd put Nair in your shampoo. No one can tell me I'm not 16 right now. I'm 16.
Hey, what year were you born in, bro?
I was born in 2000
And?
There's more?
What you mean?
My boy, you still going?
Well,
That's a compound sentence. You got a
I really like this line. Is it something that I would use every day? Not really, but also it's not really for my demographic. You know, I'm a little over the hill for that. I'm the generation that has a mortgage and kids, even though I have neither of those things.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But if you are one of those Gen Zers that I was talking about, then I think you should definitely go pick this up. It makes me feel very youthful and fresh. Takes me back to the good old days. Back when I was in school. We didn't have those fancy smartphones, so you had to hand write notes to people in class. Imagine that, kids, imagine that. I am ancient. But anyways, guys, let me know if you would pick this up in the comments down below. Thanks again to Morphe for sending this to me. This is the first big package that they sent me. So like, shout outs to Morphe. Maybe they'll give me a code after this. Ooh. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter if you want all the latest updates on me. And I'll see you in the next one, which is gonna be in 2 seconds. Because you're just gonna click one of these. And don't forget that I love ya so much.